Hey friends! Did you know that some vegetables actually grow better in the cooler fall weather than in summer? Yep, not everything loves the heat. In fact, fall gardening can give you sweeter carrots, crispier lettuce, and fewer bugs. If you've been thinking about planting something this season, you're in for a treat. Today, we're going over 10 of the best vegetables to grow in the fall, perfect for gardeners in the US, whether you're a beginner or a pro. So grab your gloves, let's dig in. 1. Spinach. Spinach loves cool temperatures. It grows fast and it can even survive a light frost. Sow the seeds directly into the soil about 6 to 8 weeks before your first frost. You'll be harvesting in no time, and it's perfect for salads, smoothies, and salads. 2. Kale. Kale is a rock star in the fall. Cooler weather actually makes it sweeter. It's also packed with vitamins, and once it gets going, you can keep harvesting the leaves for weeks. Advice: try varieties like lacinato or red Russian, they're super tasty. 3. Carrots. Want sweeter carrots? Plant them in fall? The cold makes the natural sugars in carrots more intense. Just make sure your soil is loose and rock-free so they can grow long and straight. Start them about 10 to 12 weeks before the first frost for best results. 4. Radishes. Radishes are super fast growers. Some are ready in just 3 weeks. They love the cooler soil, and they're a fun pick for kids too. Plus, they don't take up much space. Great as a crunchy snack or salad topper. 5. Lettuce. Lettuce thrives in chilly weather. It actually bolts or goes to seed too quickly in the summer heat. Plant different types like romaine, butterhead, or leaf lettuce for variety. You can do multiple rounds in the fall since it grows fast. 6. Beets. Another cool weather winner. Both the roots and the greens are edible win-win. They take about 50 to 60 days to mature, so start them early in the fall season. And hey, roasted beets in a fall salad? So good! 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is a little more high maintenance, but totally worth it. It loves consistent cool temperatures. Start seeds indoors in midsummer or buy young transplants for a head start. By the time fall rolls around, it'll be right at home in your garden. 8. Turnips. Turnips are underrated, but they grow fast and they're super versatile. Great for soups, roasting, or even mashed like potatoes. Like beets, you can eat the greens too. Sow seeds directly into the soil and they'll be ready in about 40 to 60 days. 9. Arugula. This spicy little green is perfect for fall. It grows quickly, just 3 to 4 weeks, and adds a nice kick to your salads. So every 2 weeks if you want a steady supply through the season. A little goes a long way. 10. Garlic. Okay, so technically you plant garlic in the fall to harvest next summer. But trust me, it's worth the wait. Just pop the cloves into the ground before the ground freezes and let nature do the rest. It's low effort, high reward. Extra advice: know your USDA hardiness zone. This helps you figure out the best timing for your area. Use row covers or garden fabric to protect young plants from frost. Water less, but don't let your soil completely dry out. Cool weather slows evaporation. And always amend your soil with compost before planting. Fall crops love nutrient-rich beds. And there you have it, 10 amazing vegetables to grow this fall in the US. Which one are you most excited to plant? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more garden tips and hit that bell so you never miss a video. Happy planting! And I'll see you in the next one.